Vexp is a tool that gives AI coding agents like Claude Code and Cursor better context on your codebase, so they use way fewer tokens and make fewer mistakes. I looked at the actual product, the pricing, and the one review it has so far, so you know exactly what you'd be installing. Here's who this is actually for. If you're an affiliate or info product marketer who uses Claude Code or Cursor to vibe code your own funnels, landing pages, or quiz and calculator tools, you've probably watched your token usage blow up the second your project got bigger than a single file. Vexp pitch. It indexes your codebase into a dependency graph, then only sends your agent the specific files a task actually touches, full detail on what matters, a lightweight skeleton on what doesn't. The claim is up to 70% fewer tokens, and it says it works with 12 different agents across 30 languages. On its own homepage, it shows the receipt. One real task, adding rate limiting to auth middleware, drops from 8,200 tokens down to 2,100, a 74% cut, by giving the agent full detail on the two files that matter and just a skeleton of the two that don't. Setup is a single guided command. Install the VS Code extension or the CLI. It auto-detects whichever agent you're running, Claude Code, Cursor, Codex, Windsurf, and writes its own MCP configuration for you. No account, no API key, and it says it runs entirely on your machine. The headline number, worth treating as their own claimed benchmark and not an independently audited one, is up to 70% fewer tokens, which they say means 2 to 3 times more work before you hit a usage limit. Pricing has two paths: direct from Vexp, free forever for a small single repo project, or $19 a month for the full version. But the actual deal being reviewed here is on AppSumo, a one-time lifetime license from $49 up to $399, depending on how many repos and seats you need, backed by AppSumo's standard 60-day refund guarantee. What's genuinely good here? A real free tier that actually works with no account or credit card. It runs locally instead of phoning a server with your code. And the founder is a named, identifiable person, not an anonymous storefront. What gives me pause? This is a very young company, incorporated in late February of 2026, a solo bootstrapped operation out of Milan. And it only has one review on AppSumo so far, which means there's barely any track record yet to judge it against. That one review is worth reading closely. A verified buyer said VXP's setup wrote forceful, mandatory-sounding instructions directly into their own project's Claude Code configuration file, trying to redirect it away from its normal tools. Their own Claude Code session flagged that pattern as looking like a prompt injection. To the founder's credit, he responded directly under his own name, confirmed the behavior was real, said it's fully editable or deletable, and pointed to a personal mode that skips writing to shared project files entirely. He also fixed the reviewer's separate license bug on the spot. Where that leaves the score? 2 out of 5 tacos, AppSumo's own rating unit, from exactly one review. That's not enough data to call a trend, but it's enough to tell you to go in with your eyes open about how it touches your project files. My verdict? The actual engineering idea here, cutting context bloat for AI coding agents, is real and useful. And the founder is transparent when something goes wrong. But this is a 5-month-old product with one data point for a review, and it does modify files inside your own project by default. Read what it writes before you accept it. If you're a marketer who builds your own funnels, landing pages, or quiz tools by vibe coding with Claude Code or Cursor, this is squarely aimed at people like you, not professional software teams. Just budget the time to read what it installs into your project before you let it run. If you're interested in making money online with AI, make sure that you check out the link in my description